Making money online. Joseph, what exactly can I do to make money online? I have a laptop, I have internet, and I have a computer or I have a smartphone. What exactly can I do to make money online? Would you believe if I tell you this is the most sorted question? People would love to work online. And then working online, people usually associate it with this kind of a character. Oh, it is easy. You know, I can work from home. I can do other things. I'll have extra time and what have you. It looks fun, or should I say it sounds fun. So today on this video, and for the next 15 minutes, I'm going to share with you what are the most legitimate ways on how you can make money online. And guess what? Probably on this video, by the way, not even probably, I have to give you a disclaimer as early as this. I'm going to share with you some of the things that you never thought as far as making money online is concerned. And I'm going to burst that bubble that you have, and probably you're going to hate me. By the way, I'm here not to be loved. I'm here to tell you the truth. And probably if you end watching this video and you love me, well, I better didn't do my job. All right, this is Good Joseph speaking. Go ahead and give me your like. Make sure that you subscribe. Okay, why am I even telling you to do all those? Because I upload videos of such each and every day. So if you don't want to miss any, you go ahead and do that. Do what? Subscribe. How do you do that? Small button next to my subscribers called subscribe. Hit it. Make sure that you turn the notification bell and like the video. Simple as that. Thank you. See, now, how do you make money online? All right. See, when you say making money online, making money online, the time online, obviously, it means on the internet. There must be an involvement of the internet. Okay. Now, the point is this. How can I make money on the internet? First of all, obviously, you need a smartphone. You need either computer. Those are the two things. The very other things that you need for you to make money online. Skill. Skill. You cannot make money online if you have zero skill. There is no a website. There is no app that you can just come as you are. You just download it, install it, and then start downloading money, start downloading money. Because some of you guys, you have that mentality. You have them, oh, Joseph, I would love to start writing because I actually heard that is online writing and what have you. So what is online writing in the first place? Okay, can you write? Oh, yes, I can open a computer and go to the word and start typing. I ask you, do you know what is an APA format in terms of writing? Do you know what's an MLA? Do you know what is a Chicago? Do you know what's, you don't know nothing. Some of you even say, I don't even know how to use a computer and you want to do on writing. Yo, just forget about it. Just take that idea behind the door and shoot it because it ain't gonna work. See, making money online, you must have a skill. You must have the internet and you must have a gadget for you to do that. You may have the gadget, you may have the computer, but where is your skill? Please, let me ask a very simple question. Let's say you sell bananas. If you sell bananas, you are solving problems. What problems? There is somebody somewhere who is craving for a banana. So he has a challenge. He has a problem. So you are giving them the banana and then they're giving you the money. See, there is an exchange of two things. There is an exchange of the good and the money. That dude could have not just given you money randomly. No. You give them the banana that they need, they give you the money that you need. Simple. So even when, the moment you talk about making money, by the way, we don't even make money, we attract money. Did you know that? We don't make money. Actually saying making money is a wrong term. But let me use it for the purpose of explanation. When you talk about making money, don't even talk about online. Forget about the word online. Ask yourself, what does it entail to make money? It means solving people's problem. By the way, I, as Joseph, as a YouTuber, I am solving people's problem. Challenges of savings, where to invest and how to invest. How can you make this within this period of, I'm solving people's problem. I'm getting views. Those views, they get converted to, you get what I'm saying? I'm solving, and if you call me, if you take my number and call me for me to guide you how to make money, I am solving your problem. You have 300,000 in your pocket. You have 2 million. You want to invest. You want to create the financial freedom. You take the number. You call me. You ask me, Joseph, what are the best areas to invest if I have an X amount of money? So guess what I'm doing? I'm going to stop whatever I'm doing. Even if I was eating, I'll put aside the plate, I'll put my bottle of water down and listen to you. I show you the way. I listen first to you. I show you the way where you can invest and why you can invest. Don't you see I'm solving your problem? And guess what happens now? When you solve problems, money will be thrown at you. So in short, you are saying, how can I solve my problem, people's problem online, and they pay me? If you are a psychologist, you come on internet, tell people about the issues of mental health, mental awareness, all those things. It is a psychology of the children. How can we handle our children? How can we handle our relationships? How can we handle our spirituality? And all those kind of things. You attach a value on top of your head. People will see you as a valuable. And then after that, obviously, put a fee on that specific thing that you're doing. Now, that is making money online. Fine. You can learn a skill if you do not have any. We have a lot of skills. You can learn a skill. For example, right now as we speak, there is somebody we are having a deal. I won't talk much about it. I'll talk about it later one day. He's solving my problem that I have on the internet. And obviously, I'm going to pay that guy. You get what I'm saying? Now, what happens? You can learn a skill. You can be a graphic designer. And now the problem with you people, again, especially with the young people, you tell them to learn a skill about graphic design, and then they ask you, where will I get the jobs? Where will I get? Sometimes you feel like you can even take these guys and whip them badly. Why? Because people, they learn a skill. Someone else, asked me, I told, someone was like, what skills can I learn? I gave them an array of skills. And then he picked the video editing. And then, do you know what he asked me? After I told him, you can go to Udemy and purchase a skill, maybe for only $2,000. That's like $20 or $17 or $16, $2,000. You just purchase, maybe let's say you want to know how to use CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro. You just want to know how to do this, also the digital marketing and all those. Just use $2,000, purchase that skill. You learn that particular, masterclass there. And then you are good at that particular thing. Guess what they ask me? Where will I get the certificate? You people, you're so intoxicated with papers. You people, you have a problem. You just need papers, because you are learning that skill with a mentality of being employed. Let me tell you one thing. Sometimes I don't know how I can even frame this. Do you know I'm a graduate? Do you know, since I graduated, I've never used my degree up to date. It has never given me food on the table. Has never up to date. It's a paper. So what's the whole essence of having a paper that you cannot even use? My friend, my dear brothers and sisters, gone are the days when we used to walk into the offices and ask them, hello, good morning, I'm so and so. I'll be delighted to work to your place, dear sir, stroke madman. Listen, let me just tell you the truth. Gone are the days. Nowadays, you simply need to have your own a TikTok account, a YouTube channel, an IG, that Facebook page where you post those nonsense things, and I'm sorry to use that term, and then you're attracting 1,000 likes among those people who have liked that thing of yours. If you had tried to show them that this is what you do, and don't appear as if you're begging, appear as you're confident, you know what you're talking about, you're gonna make money out of that specific thing. You will. So don't wait me to tell you, hey, download this, whatever. Even it's a video I shared about website where you can make money. You also need to have a skill. Virtual assistants. How can you offer the virtual assistants? Can you make a call? Do you have a good English? Can you have the aura? Do you have the confidence? Can you talk? On writing, can you be able to write all those formats? If you can be able to do what we call the graphic design, web designing, web development, and all those kind of things, are you able to offer those services? Video editing skills, are you able to do those particular things? Nowadays, you can even have your own channels. That specific thing that you learned in university, if you know it can help the community. Some of you are sitting at very nice skills. You find somebody who did hotel and catering. You know very well how to cook, but you're just sitting on your career. Nothing is going going on? You've never even taken, some of you guys, for example, by the way, I don't know that he's watching this video. I met one of my viewers on somewhere. I was traveling, the guy told me, hey, I'm in the media, and I don't know, mass communication, and media, this thing, the mainstream media, whatever. And I asked the guy, oh, do you have a blog? No, I don't. Oh, okay. Do you have a YouTube channel? No, I don't. Oh, do you have a TikTok channel? No, I don't. Oh, the guy just sitting relaxed. You know, he's waiting to just graduate and then dislodge somebody working somewhere with a 15 years experience, and you get the job. You know, you work with that mentality of entitlement. You deserve to get the job because I'm a graduate. My friend, you'll be smacked by the reality. Nowadays, even the mainstream media, they are not even employing those graduates. They're employing influencers. If you have a TV, if you have a radio, would you go pick somebody you don't even know randomly from Kabianga University? Okay, that's one of the university in Kenya. With all the due respect, it's a great university. Let me just say Maseno University, where I schooled. You know, you can't just go pick a random graduate from Maseno University and put them in that particular station of yours that you've started. Kenyans can relate. You know, when a new media starts in Kenya, they pick those guys whom have been there. They just recycle these people, you know, all the time because the guys have they employ influencers. You see, by the way, I'm looking forward into the era whereby people won't be even be asking you about your CV. They will just be asking you, what is your social media account? They just see kind of nonsense you're posting there. Just get the skill. Forget about the papers. You get the skill first, then show people what you can. Show people your ability. Sometimes you find these people, they have the skills, and you tell them, oh wow, you're a graphic designer. Send me some of the samples that you have. They have nothing. And then people now know you are lazy. You don't want to get those skills. Now they're coming with funny things, with funny names of the companies of making money, and then they're promising you, I don't know, if you save, if you invest with us 40,000, you'll be getting 20,000 per day. If you invest this and this, I don't know, crypto mining, I don't know, you buy this boat, I know this will do what, I don't know, those kind of things. And then the next minute, boom, the website is not there, money is gone, you don't have the money. Oh, I was making money online, I'm smart. You're not smart. That's not how money is made online, my friend. Oh, I'm mining Bitcoin. Do you know how much it costs to, my friend? Let me just tell you the truth. Please, if you do not have the skill, please forget about making money online, because this is not for the faint-hearted. By the way, it's quite funny. Do you know what time I'm making this video? You know, who guys won't believe. Let me just show you. I'm making this video at around 11 past whatever. It's almost 12 a.m. That's when I'm making this video. 12 a.m. I have two friends of mine who are writers. They do those online copywriting and what have you. And don't ask me to connect you with them because they have a very busy life. Right now, as you speak, this is when they are doing their job. If you go to that guy's place, you find they are asleep during the morning. They wake up at 11 a.m. or 12 p.m. That's when they wake up. They are working. Please don't have this mentality, it's easy, anyone can do it, I'll be having it. You, my friend, don't do that, please. That is exactly how you make money online. You trade that skill that you have, and then you can be able to make some cash out of it. It may not be what you wanted to hear, but it is the truth. And I wish I had said it in a different way, but it's the truth. Thank you. See you in the next one.